I went through and completed about 3 years as an auditor, making my way through various engagements and tried to focus primarily on financial services and real estate. And about 2.5 years in, I had an opportunity to go take some real estate focused finance trainings that the firm was offering.
Cool.
Go ahead.
I said, cool. That's awesome. So you took advantage.
Yeah, I took advantage of some of the internal networking opportunities and trainings and made it known that I had tried to apply about 3 years earlier for the same position that was still something I was looking into and interested in joining. And eventually had an opportunity to interview with some of the individuals that were in that group in my local office. And a couple months later, had the opportunity to get an offer and get a transfer over to the real estate consulting side or transaction consulting side from the audit side.